Hey guys, another weekly update. Let's start with the XY. Nothing really happened. We could maybe see here a nice double bottom and then go here finally. It would be a nice short opportunity of USD, but it will take probably a while until we get there. So yeah, not really anything that happens soon. Then SPX, we are actually there on the first, I think it was a monthly, yeah. First big resistance since we broke through the weekly demand level here, but didn't hit my original level where I hoped it would go to. So yeah, this is an important level to watch. These two basically. So good level for shorting stocks. I can still see it going through here. So either go here and then go finally down, or we do some of this here and go to the final target. Should be around here. Yeah, but that can take like another, I don't know how long. That can take a while until we are there. Okay. Then let's go further. BRICS, really nothing to see. It went down again after the crazy rush up to 60 something. Last happened only in August last year. Total, we had a short break above previous high, and now we are testing the previous high again here. Let's see if we can. Probably there are some levels here where we could, I didn't check it yet. Yeah, so it could go down into this one here. That would look quite nice for the next long opportunity. Let's see, the weekly, not much, nothing there really. Yeah, seems like this one seems the most reasonable right now to go to, or this one at lower time frame, but this one seems better so far to go here. Yes, on several time frames, a lot of daily time frames. Yeah, it seems reasonable that we go down past the previous high. People go probably short here somewhere, but then we go back up. So like here. Something like this. Would be reasonable, I would say. Yeah, here we have it. Yeah. Could go there, but probably not. So get rid of it, it's an old one. Yeah, it's not perfectly. Okay. Then total 2, we didn't overcome, basically still stuck the whole time to the previous high. There's nothing happening. And there the target is here around. It goes here. Others, yeah, also didn't go up there. Others, we are nearly there where I wanted to long. Still go in the demand here. Probably weekly higher demand level. Okay. 2 weeks at least. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I could see it going here, which is not too far away really from current price. Others BTC is just still ranging the whole time in the 2 weeks HOB. Nothing happening, so still very weak. Then here we have still our open CME gaps, 2 here, still open. I'd like to closing it. I would like to see closing them this week. BWAL, nothing, just in the middle of nowhere. BWAL 24 hours hit like a day ago around. Nearly support, not fully, but nearly basically in. So that's quite good. BWAL is crazy, it's still going down. Like it hit the really, really low, like a multi-month low right now. So there's a lot of volatility in the next week, 1 to 2 weeks. DVOL also went into support and went up again, which is the derivatives from Deribit, the volume for options basically. ETH BTC, we are still hanging around in demand level. It held so far quite nice, but not much happening. It's a bit outperforming right now. Bitcoin dominance, we are close where we want to be. So the 3 drive into this area would be perfect, which runs out soon in the next few days. So what I could see is this week going up here, maybe not that high, and then yeah, finally going down. So yeah, that will take a bit, still a few days probably. Ethereum dominance perfectly went to the previous low, which is like literally the lowest low ever recorded. Held it very nice, still holding it like ETH BTC. So yeah, that looks good so far. Then yeah, like we saw on the daily, it never broke the previous low the whole time, ranging around it, and finally it went up like predicted, as long as you hold it. And I also tweeted about it that we will go to Valhalla, which worked out perfectly. Now we are hanging here. There was a nice short opportunity like here, which I thought about taking, but it didn't. Yeah, wait, I took it on Ethereum. Wait, yeah. Here, on Ethereum, but this is like a scalp only, so I won't hold it open for too long if it doesn't go down. It can still go a bit lower, it doesn't need to be. But yeah, it would be nice if we go now down at least to around here, which actually would, if we go quickly down, could go inside with this higher time frame trend line here. So that could hit at the same time, but we need to go there over the next few days, which could easily happen if we see where BTC 70 is. So yeah, it's currently my outlook. Here we hit perfectly 0.5. It was a 6 hour, I think. Yeah, we had the daily here around, but we also had the 6 hour here, lower time frame, which it perfectly hit, plus the fib. So yeah, I posted these ones also a few hours ago, this level. Hopefully you could take the short here, free money. Otherwise, yeah, there's not much for like USDC. I'm looking currently at this level or at this level, which is for sure stronger. I feel like this one, but both work very well. This has the GP confluence, and at USDC, I'm looking either at this 0.5 fib or this range, which has several higher time frame and middle time frame fibs. Plus, if not, we have still this higher time frame level here. But yeah, I feel like it won't hit. Could be. I feel like this one is overall the nicest level where we could go to. Obviously, this one easily possible if we only go to here. If the CME gap then is nearly closed or closed finally, which would be quite interesting to see if the CME gap was closed by that. I think not. So I think if we reach this level here, we would probably just be here, and that's it. So this one would be the CME gap probably. If we go to this one, it would be the CME gap closed plus we would be on BTC likely around this, which I really like a lot, this level. It has the previous high in there. It has a lot of fib confluences with GP and the higher time frame 0.382. And it has a lot of 3 different levels here, even to the lower time frame here has a level. So I would prefer to take my longs here, which could coincide with Dodge, which I also posted around this one maybe, or even lower this one. I could see it even maybe stopping here already. Or the demand. He's also nice demand with 3.886. Could also go there. So yeah, this is currently, I can quickly check. So this was my current forecast. It didn't go die high. It went here, and now hope to get it here. And then we go finally up to the 114K next. We are outperforming at the same time. Then ETH will outperform, and most altcoins will outperform BTC. So yeah, didn't go that high, and I still would like to see it now going here, and then going up here. I didn't take the short here, but I took a short around here, and exit. It was only scalp, so I exited already here around on the previous support. Quite a bit of support here. Yeah, I think that's it so far. So yeah, like I said, I'm kind of looking at would be like something like this. Probably not go that deep back here. Maybe we go that deep, but probably not. And then going up here, but it can already stop here maybe, and then going completely down. So these are currently, we also go this. Yeah, this one is my favorite scenario. So we go here, and then we go down. 2 current favorite scenarios. So let's see. I think that's it for this week. I mean, I've posted most of my other charts on my timeline that I'm kind of looking at for longs. So yeah, I can still see this one going a bit. It's just a fake break, just a fake one, this one, and then it actually goes to the GP here finally, which has a lot more confluence, which I would take then maybe on Ethereum, but probably not. Could be around then here, maybe, if it goes that deep. Or on BTC, it would likely, there's a lot of smaller levels here. I would likely go to here. I would likely go to here, which is probably too deep. But yeah, that's basically it. See you next week.